What's up, y'all? It's your boy Tennis back with another video, man. And today we finna take the C-10 up to get this radio put in it, to get my this radio put in it. So this is what I'm putting in it today. It's an inexpensive radio, but I wanted the CarPlay, so I bought me an inexpensive little radio for the time being. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in there now. I got an old hold on, let me get the up, hold on. Alright, this is the radio I got in there now. This is what I had now, 2010. I put in that 2010. But we're gonna take up there and get the back speakers put in there also. So let me get this truck crunk up and move it out the way, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, I never did a cold start on this truck, man. Let me get y'all a cold start on here. Let's see. Alright. Check it out. Let me get her moved out the way, get the orange truck out, and I'll get that with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, let's crank the C-10 and let's get this cold start quick, see what it do. Let the heat warm up, but cut the heat on. But yeah, the heat do work in her. So let me let her warm up and move this truck out the way. Y'all, we off up in here, man. Man, check this out. First stop I gotta do is the gas. Gotta go to the gas station, boy. Window still defrosting. Yeah, the heat do work in here too. Well, I got my radio, I got my little speaker mount. Let's go up here and see if they can throw this in there for us. I talked to him the other day, he said he can do it for us. So I'm gonna run up here and get it done, but first I gotta go to this gas station. Yeah, y'all gonna ride along with me. Let me pay attention. Let me get up here to the gas station first, get some gas, and let everything thaw out, and I'll cut y'all back on here in a second. Alright, y'all, we back on, man. Got that gas up in here now, man. Man, let me tell y'all, man, one thing about these old schools, boy, you gonna get some thumbs up every day in these things. But yeah, we rolling, man. Just a couple of months ago, she wasn't even on the road. We get to it now. He worked. Like I said, I gotta get that radio out of there. I need that Apple CarPlay, man. I need that Apple CarPlay, so she went ahead and got me a little screen put in there. Well, finna get the screen put in there. And I got a lot more things coming, man. I got some things I got ordered that's on the way. So, and it's cold outside, so I can't do no body work, can't start that body work. So I figured I'd get this radio put in then. You know, go ahead and try to knock something out real quick, man, because it's been sitting up. I'm ready to get some stuff put in here. And like I said, this stuff that I'm putting in here right now, y'all, just some little stuff just to kind of get me in, kind of got dang on. I ain't doing the full bill yet, so the full bill maybe another year or two from now. So they just something just to get me in it, kind of ride around in it, and then be comfortable. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing now. So we're finna ride up here to this audio place, get this radio put in, and we're gonna go from there. Man, this heat is not playing up this thing. So this thing about to run me up out this little cab. Yes sir. It's rolling though. It's rolling. Yep, getting on down here, man. So also I got me another little location I'm gonna be working out of. I'm trying to get everything over there. I'm trying to get my bus over there. Trying to get all my little tools over there and everything. I'm start working out my little compound over there. I took out of there before that with my dad at the little compound. He don't use the spot for real, so we're gonna get everything up out of there and cleaned up. Start taking my little toys over there. Well, I already got some of my toys over there, my Camaro over there. But start working on some stuff, man. Like I said, start doing this body work. Like I said, I never did a body work a day in my life, but finna learn. So y'all just stay tuned with me, man. I'm gonna play with it. Like I said, and if it don't work out, take it to the professionals. But hey, I'm gonna give it a shot. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna, boy, look here, I'm just gonna patch this sucker back up. But you'll see. Got a band-aids out on this thing, but it's gonna be all good though. Hey, it's mine. It's paid for. All right, I ain't tripping. These folk next to me looking at me like I'm crazy because they see me talk to myself. Man, this heat ain't playing. But I'm cut the thing off. Ooh wee. Yeah, man. We're gonna get this thing pumping. I had to get some coffee up in me. But yeah, man. Get to y'all once we get to the spot. They may let me film in there, you know, saying this is a new spot, but I'm gonna ask and see what they say. Get back with y'all in a second. Y'all, we pulling up to the spot. Trying to turn so I ain't trying to flip my cough over. Alright, y'all, here we go. Man, I think they do 10 too here. Yeah, I might get the 10 too. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead and see what they're talking about. Take them to the back, y'all. Get the radio put in. Alright, let's go ahead and chill. Alright, y'all, we got the radio put in, man. Let's see what we're looking like. Now, still gotta get this door fixed, man. Still ain't fixed this, I can't even think of the name of it. Hold on for a second, y'all. Alright, y'all, so let's see what we're looking like, y'all. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. And I also added the speakers to it too, y'all. Oh, I bet this sucker sound good. Let's see what she sound like. Oh yeah, that's like got a screen in there now. And like I say, y'all, what I wanted, I really wanted the Apple Audio. Yep, that's what I wanted right there, the Apple CarPlay in the car. All right, y'all, let me get up in here and head to the house. All Alright, y'all, man, this sucker sounded pretty good. Let me just crank it up for a little quick second. But she sound real good. I got her in there now. I kind of like the little screen sitting right there, though. Like I said, and then I got some speakers in the back too, y'all. So sooner let them put me some woofers in here. Probably some little 10s, some little 12s. But slowly putting it together, you know, kind of get some little things going. Let's see what I'm gonna do next. Oh, probably tint the windows next. Get the windows tinted. I was gonna get the AC charged up, but right now it's so cold, I ain't even worried about that right now. But yeah, just a little quick video. I wish I could have showed y'all them installing it, but you know, it's a new little spot I went to, so I'm not too familiar with them just yet. But yeah, she in there though. Alright, y'all. I'm enjoying this ride home. I appreciate y'all. Alright, y'all. We got her in there, man. Check it out. She sounds pretty good too. Yeah, she sounds pretty good. She look good in there though. Nice little screen. I guess they call it what, a floating screen. Cause it float, it tilts. I ain't gonna tilt it, but it tilts and everything. But that's all I wanted was the Apple CarPlay. That's pretty much what I wanted. So I could plug my phone up to it. But yeah, man, it was just a little quick video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, man. I got more things coming, man. I got some things on the way. Like I said, we're gonna be doing the body work here shortly. And I got some wheels on the way. Y'all just stay tuned, my man. Oh, next thing we're gonna do, probably get the window tinted. And I was gonna get the AC tinted. I mean, not the AC tinted, but the AC charged up. But like I said, it's cold now. I ain't even worried about that right now. But for the most part, we get the windows tinted and start on that body work next. That's gonna be probably the next thing. And we'll go from there. So we'll see y'all on next video. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Tina's out.